TikTok, how to see watch history. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can see your watch history on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to see your watch history on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application here, and then make sure to tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon located at the bottom right, tap the three lines option located from the top right and then go to the option called settings and privacy. After you come to this option known as settings and privacy, what you basically want to do from here is you should be able to set different sorts of interface. So from here you want to simply go to this option called activity center here, and once you go to activity center you'll find the option called watch history from the top. When you tap the watch history option, you should be able to see a list of videos that you have watched in the past. This way you'll be able to see your watch history on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.